Most shop vacuums found in home improvement stores are underpowered plastic toys that clog the moment you touch drywall dust. Buying a weak model means wasting time unclogging hoses instead of finishing your project. Are you tired of dealing with machines that lack the suction power you actually need for your workshop? Rest easy knowing we have tracked down the most reliable options available. Today, I'm going to be going over the best shop vacuum that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the DEWALT DXV06P. This shop vacuum is perfectly engineered for professional contractors and home DIY enthusiasts who demand high power during cleanup tasks. You will appreciate how this machine handles everything from sawdust and wood chips to heavy wet spills with minimal effort. The unit features a 6-gallon capacity bucket that is constructed from heavy-duty, high-impact polypropylene for rugged longevity. Its compact design allows for easy storage in tight workshop spaces or inside the back of your busy service truck. This model includes a powerful 4 peak horsepower motor that generates impressive suction force for even the most difficult debris. You can utilize the integrated blower port to quickly clear off your dusty work surfaces or blow away unwanted yard leaves. The included 7-foot hose provides plenty of reach to access those awkward corners without constantly moving the main unit around. It easily outperforms the basic rigid WD-5500 model regarding suction consistency over long and heavy cleaning sessions. The pros include powerful suction, rugged construction, and versatile blower port. The cons include short power cord and loud noise levels. Filtration is handled by a washable cartridge filter that traps fine particles to maintain clean air quality throughout your entire workspace. Convenient onboard storage keeps all your essential attachments and accessories organized so you never lose track of important cleaning tools again. The lightweight frame ensures that users can easily maneuver the vacuum across rough concrete floors or through cluttered job site areas. At number 4, we have the DEWALT DXV10S-QT. This powerful shop vacuum is primarily designed for professional contractors who require reliable suction for their various job site cleanup tasks. Homeowners who prioritize heavy-duty performance for garage or basement maintenance will also find this unit extremely useful and highly effective. It features a rugged stainless steel tank that provides excellent durability while resisting accidental damage during frequent transport to different locations. The total capacity of the canister reaches exactly 10 gallons, which allows users to complete extensive cleaning projects without constant interruptions. Its ergonomic handle design ensures that moving the vacuum around your workspace is comfortable even when the container is nearly full. This model is equipped with a high-performance motor capable of producing 4 peak horsepower to handle heavy debris and liquids. A specialized ultra-web cartridge filter is included to capture fine dust particles effectively while maintaining strong airflow during long sessions. The extra-long power cord stretches over 20 feet, providing plenty of reach for cleaning large areas without switching wall outlets. During our testing, the suction remained remarkably consistent even when picking up wet material or heavy wood shavings on concrete floors. We found that the vacuum easily clears tight corners because of the well-designed nozzle attachments included in the base package. This machine offers much stronger suction capabilities when compared directly against the smaller and lighter rigid model available on the market. The pros include sturdy construction, strong suction, and excellent capacity. The cons include loud operation and bulky size. At number 3, we have the DEWALT DXV06P QT. This powerful shop vacuum is primarily designed for contractors and home enthusiasts who need a reliable debris cleanup solution. Users will immediately appreciate how it fits perfectly into any workshop environment while offering surprising levels of suction power. The vacuum boasts a 6-gallon capacity tank which is ideal for cleaning up dust or wet spills efficiently. Constructed from a rugged poly material, the exterior casing is built to withstand rough job site conditions without cracking. It features a compact footprint measuring just about 12 inches wide, making it easy to store in tight spaces. The lightweight design ensures that moving it between different rooms or workspaces is never a difficult or tiresome task. It houses a 4 peak horsepower motor that generates enough force to handle even heavy debris or large messes. You will find a very convenient 10-foot power cord included, which provides excellent reach for most standard garages. The onboard accessory storage keeps all your essential nozzles and tools within reach during your most intensive cleaning projects. This model offers superior airflow performance compared to the rigid WD-6425 small shop vacuum. The pros include high suction power, durable build quality, and large tank capacity. The cons include loud motor noise and short hose length. Real-world testing proves that this device maintains consistent pressure even when the internal filter starts to become full. Cleaning up wet liquid messes is remarkably simple thanks to the built-in drain port located. At number 2, we have the Shop-Vac 9522236. This powerful cleaning solution is specifically engineered for professional contractors who require extreme suction for their heavy-duty job sites. Homeowners who tackle major renovation projects will also find that this vacuum makes debris cleanup feel effortless and very quick. The canister is constructed from high-impact plastic materials which prevent cracking while protecting the internal motor from any damage. It features a compact footprint that allows users to store it easily in crowded garages or underneath a workbench surface. The unit stands at a height of 24 inches while occupying a total floor space of 15 by 15 inches. Equipped with a high-output motor, it provides a consistent airflow of 120 cubic feet per minute. The specialized filtration system captures 99% of fine dust particles, ensuring the air remains clean during operation today. This machine includes a wide-diameter hose that prevents clogs even when you are vacuuming up large wood chips regularly. During our rigorous testing, it successfully removed heavy wet sludge from a concrete floor without showing any signs of struggling. Its noise output is impressively low for such a high-powered tool, making it tolerable to operate without ear protection. It outperforms the older rigid WD-1850 in terms of raw suction power and overall ease of filter maintenance. The pros include high suction power, durable build quality, and large tank capacity. The cons include bulky cord storage and loud motor noise. We highly recommend this model for anyone needing a reliable workhorse that will handle the toughest debris without any issues. At number 1, we have the DEWALT DXV05S-QT. This powerful shop vacuum is engineered for demanding professionals who require reliable cleanup solutions on busy construction and job sites. It features a compact 5-gallon tank that provides enough capacity for small debris without becoming too heavy for transportation. The durable stainless steel construction offers excellent resistance to dings and dents while maintaining a clean look for long-term usage. Its ergonomic carry handle is positioned at the top to ensure that moving the machine between rooms is completely effortless. A robust motor delivers impressive suction power while operating at a noise level that is manageable for indoor working environments. This unit includes a long 10-foot power cord that allows users to reach far across their workshops without using extensions. The integrated accessory storage keeps all your nozzles and extension wands neatly organized right on the chassis of the machine. When testing suction performance, this model easily picks up heavy wood shavings and fine drywall dust in just one pass. The secure latching system ensures that the tank stays sealed tightly during operation to prevent any loss of pressure internally. It includes a high-efficiency cartridge filter which effectively captures smaller particles and keeps the exhaust air remarkably clean during use. This vacuum performs better than the Craftsman 5-gallon unit due to its superior build quality and much stronger suction capabilities. The pros include rugged build quality, strong suction power, and convenient portability. The cons include short hose length and limited accessories.